In question 26, two audio speakers are kept some distance apart. We need to find the frequencies for which there is a destructive interference at a place of the listener. Solution 26. So in this particular question, the part difference of the two sound waves will be 6.4 minus 6, that is 0.4 meters. This will be the path difference, and wavelength of any of the waves will be velocity upon density. So 320 over the frequency, velocity upon the frequency, and this should be in meters per second. Velocity is 320 meter per second. So for the destructive interference, del L should be, part difference should be around 2n plus 1 into lambda by 2. If this is the part difference, then it will be a destructive interference, and n is any integer. So by this 0.4 equal 2n plus 1 over 2, and lambda is 320 over f. So now once we simplify this, the frequency will come out to be 2n plus 1 into 400 hertz. This will be the frequency. So you can put the values of n, which can be 1, 2, 3, and by that you can find various values. So for example, n equal to 1, 2 into 1 plus 1 into 400. So it will give you 3 into 400, that is 1200 hertz. And similarly, when n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, you will get different values, 2000 hertz, 2800 hertz, and so on. In question 27, a source of sound S and a detector D are placed at some distance. We need to find the frequency of the sound emitted. In this situation, we have been given the velocity of sound also. So this is solution 27. So velocity is 336 meters per second. Now if you look closely, you will find that distance between maxima and minimum intensity is always lambda by 4. Okay, so this means lambda by 4, distance between maxima and minima is given to us, which is 20 centimeter. So lambda will come out to be 80 centimeters. So the frequency will be velocity over wavelength 336 over 80. So and this is in centimeters, so 10 to the power minus 2, so that it gets converted into meters. So it will be 420 hertz. In question 28, a source and a detector are given to us. Now by what minimum distance should the cardboard be shifted away so that the reflected wave becomes out of phase with the direct wave? This figure is given. Solution 28. So wavelength is d over 2. Initial part difference will be 2 root d by 2 whole square plus 2d square minus d. Minus d. This will be the initial part difference. Now if it is now shifted a distance x, then what will happen to the part difference? It will become 2 over root d by 2 whole square plus root 2d plus x whole square minus d. So it will come out to be d by 4 2d plus d by 4, d by 2 whole square plus root 2d plus x whole square. It will become 169 d square over 64, which will give 153 over 64 d square. So from this, root 2d plus x equal to 1.54d. So ultimately x will come out to be 0.13 d after simplification. In question 29, two stereo speakers are separated by some distance. Find the frequency in audible range for which the listener will hear a minimum sound intensity. Solution 29. So the part difference, the figure will look something like this. Something like this. So the path difference del x will be root 3.2 square plus 2.4 square minus 3.2 and wavelength will be 320 over frequency. For destructive interference, del x 2n plus 1 lambda by 2. So now 3.2 whole square plus 2.4 whole square minus 3.2, 2n plus 1 over 2 into 320 over frequency. So solving this, we will get the frequency to be this. So when you put the values of 1 to n, you will find up to 49 it will be in audible range. Okay, when you put the value, you will find that up to 49 it will be below 20,000 hertz, which is audible range. In question 30, we have two sources of sound. We need to assume that waves emitted by sources are in phase and find the minimum distance through which the detector should be shifted to detect a minimum of sound. Solution 30. So wavelength 20 centimeter, S1 S2, that is the distance 20 centimeter. Let me draw the figure also. A, C, B, this is X. Now BD is 20 centimeter. So path difference will be equal to BC minus AB, which will be 20 square plus 10 plus x whole square minus 20 square plus 10 minus x whole square. So the minimum distance here for minimum will be 2n plus 1 lambda by 2, lambda by 2 equal to 20 by 2, which will be 10 centimeter. So root 20 square plus 10 plus x whole square minus root 20 square plus 10 minus x whole square. It will be so equal to 10 because these are part difference. So after solving this, x will come out to be 12 centimeters. In question 31, we have two speakers S1 and S2. What angle theta will the intensity of sound drop to minimum for the first time? At what angle will he hear a maxima? If he continues to walk along the line, how many more maxima can he hear? This is the situation. Solution 31. So let's draw the figure. Let this be S1, let this be S2. This is Q, this is R, this is P, this is Y, let's assume. Let this be O. Now let this angle be theta. And this distance be capital D. So this is what we have. So now frequency 600 Hertz, velocity is 330 meters per second. So wavelength will come out to be 0.55 millimeter. OP will be D, PQ will be Y, theta will be approximately Y over R. This is tan theta, and if angle is small, tan theta equal to theta. So x path difference will be S2Q minus S1Q YD over D. Now D is 2 meters. So A part. For minimum intensity, x equal to 2n plus 1 lambda by 2, and yd over d equal to lambda over 2 from here theta will be lambda over 2. So by this we can find the value, which will come out to be 0.1735 radian, and in degrees it will be 7.9 degrees. B part. For maxima, x or part difference will be 2n lambda by 2. So this means yd over d equal to lambda. So y over d is theta. Theta will come out to be 0.275 radian or 16 degrees. In question 32, three sources of sound are there, S1, S2 and S3, equal intensity. What would be the resultant intensity of sound at P? Solution 32. A2, A3, P. 120 degree, 120 degree. So now amplitudes, the intensities are equal, so therefore their amplitudes will be equal. So as we can see in the diagram, at P intensity will be 0 because everything cancels out. This is A1. In question 35, we have two sources of sound, S1 and S2. If theta equals 45 degree, what will be the intensity of sound, and what will be the answer of the previous part if theta is 60 degree? So in the first part we have been given that theta is 45 degree, part difference is 0 because S1 and S1P and S2P are equal, so ultimately intensity will be I0 by 4. And in the second part, when theta is 60 degree, X part difference is again 0, P will be I0 by 4. In question 36, find the fundamental first overtone and second overtone frequencies of open organ pipe. So in this question we have been given velocity and the length. So for open organ pipe, this is the formula, so we can directly put the values and find the fundamental frequency first overtone and second overtone. In question 37, a closed organ pipe is there. Find the length of the tube. Solution 37. So for the closed organ pipe, the frequency is L over 4L, sorry, V over 4L. So L will be V over 4F. So it will be 340 over 4 into 500, which will give us 17 centimeter or 0.17 meters. In 38, we have standing wave pattern. What is the frequency of the source? Solution 38. So wavelength 2 into 4, that is 8 centimeter. Then the velocity frequency will be velocity over wavelength, 328 over 8 into 10 to the power minus 2 because it has to be in meters. So the frequency will come out to be 4.1 Hertz. In 39, the separation between a node and the next antinode is given to us. Find the frequency of vibration of the air column. Solution 39. So again the frequency will be velocity over wavelength. Velocity is 340. Wavelength will be obtained by distance between two antinodes and nodes is given by lambda by 4, and it is given to us that distance between two antinodes or nodes is 25 centimeters. So wavelength will come out to be 100 centimeter or 1 meters, so over 1, so that means 340 Hertz will be the answer. In question 40, we have been given this cylindrical metal tube. We need to find the frequency between 1000 Hertz and 2000 Hertz at which the air column in the tube can resonate. Solution 40. So now F1 will be V over, for open organ pipe, V over 2L. It will come out to be, when we put all the values, it will come out to be 340 Hertz, and the F3, that is the harmonics, will be 1020 Hertz, and F5 will be 1700 Hertz. F6 will be, so you can easily find all the harmonics. So the frequencies between them will be F4 remaining, F4 will come out to be 1360 Hz. So frequency between 1000 and 2000 will be these three. These three frequencies are between 1000 and 2000. In 41, a resonance column experiment is there. We need to find the speed of sound in air and how much distance above the open end does the pressure note form. So this is solution 41. So lambda will be 2 into L2 minus L1, 2 into 62 minus 60, which will give us 0.84 meters. Sorry, this is 20. So 84 centimeter or 0.84 meters will be the wavelength. Then the velocity will be frequency into wavelength, 400 into 0.84, which will give us 336 meters per second. So therefore L1 plus D will be lambda by 4. D will come out to be lambda by 4 minus L1, which will be 21 minus 20. So D will be 1 centimeter. In question 42, the first overtone frequency of closed organ pipe P1 is there. If length of pipe P1 is 30 cm, what will be the length of P2? Solution 42. So according to the question, F1 will be 3V over 4L, first overtone, okay? And the fundamental frequency of organ pipe is V over 2L2. So, or 2L. So this will, let this be 2L2 and L1. So from this 2, we will obtain 3V over 4 into 30 equal to V over 2L2. So L2 will come out to be 20 centimeters. So length of the pipe P2 will be 20 centimeters. In question 43, a copper rod is given to us. The speed of sound is also given in copper. Find the frequencies between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz. So this is solution 43. Lambda is 12, which is 2 into 1, which is 2 meters. Frequency is velocity is 3800 meters per second. Frequency will come out to be 1.9 kilohertz. So how many are between them? N into 1.9, which will give us various values of n. So only when it is 1, then 2, then 3, so up to 10, it will be coming in between 20 say 20,000 Hz.